It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. How to talk to your ex after a breakup. For many people, the end of a romantic connection can be painful, triggering symptoms of grief and affecting mental health. While you may not know how to talk to your ex, you and your ex may find time to process your emotions. The following strategies may be beneficial if you are not looking to avoid talking and are wondering how to communicate with your ex after a breakup. 1. The first talk after a breakup. After a breakup, a conversation with your ex may occur at some point. They may belong to the same group of friends, attend the same school, work in the same office, or have belongings or children together. Sometimes exes may need to distribute belongings, discuss future dynamics, or return relationship items. Whatever your situation, facing the first conversation after the breakup can provoke mixed emotions and may not be pleasant. You may feel sadness, confusion, anger, relief, or grief. Before contacting your ex, check in with yourself, process these emotions internally or externally, and talk to trusted friends or loved ones. It might be beneficial to allow some time to pass before starting the first conversation with your ex-partner. 2. Rules and limits. When figuring out how to talk to your ex, try to be clear about your boundaries and discuss when and why you'll need to maintain contact in the future. If you're a co-parent, for example, you can implement a rule about calling your ex at the child's bedtime so that both parents can say goodnight. These rules must be respected by both parties. For example, calling to say goodnight when the children went to bed an hour and a half ago is not within the boundaries of the agreed contact period. 3. About friendship. Friendship after romance may not happen for everyone, but some people may want reconnection. Studies show that people are more likely to stay in touch with their exes. Ultimately, your ability to remain friends may depend on your emotional needs, identities, and communities, which may determine the likelihood of meeting your ex or deciding to be friends. Other tips on how to talk to your ex. For many people, the first time you talk to an ex may not be the final meeting. After setting healthy boundaries for your post-breakup relationship, you may continue to connect over time and, in some cases, maintain a friendship or get back together. Remember these tips for your situation before approaching your ex-partner. Take time to process the relationship. Try to do the work of reflecting and ultimately healing any old wounds that may have developed during your relationship. You may not want to try to establish a friendship if the breakup happened less than a month ago. When you decide to talk to your ex, it may be necessary for you both to discuss your reflections on how the relationship ended and clearly express your past hurts and feelings. Try to use active listening to understand. Clarity can be critical. Establish a new normal and take space away from mutual friends if necessary. A breakup can cause a change in your life. As you adjust to a new routine without your ex, be kind to yourself and give yourself time and space to grieve. For a while, you may need space from mutual friends, activities you used to do with your ex, or places that remind you of the relationship. While this time may be painful, it can be an opportunity to develop healthy coping strategies and discover new hobbies, interests, and friendships. Seek professional help to take care of your mental health. A therapist can prepare you for this conversation if you are trying to talk to your ex after a breakup. A counselor can challenge you to reflect on your relationship and help you clearly express your motivations for reaching out to your ex. Breakups are rarely easy. In fact, most breakups are quite difficult. After going through a breakup, some people want to talk to counselors who specialize in sex therapy, marriage and couples therapy, and related subspecialties. These professionals can recognize the complexities and pain that can arise from romantic partnerships and have the psychological tools and experience to guide you through a breakup. You are an essential part of what we do on this channel. For this reason, we keep an eye on what you need, and if it is your desire to recover your ex correctly and effectively, you must click on the link below.